How to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speeds on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's a simple process, so follow along and let's get started. First, open your Start menu. Type in Settings and click to open it. On the left panel, select Network and Internet. Then choose Wi-Fi. Click on your current network connection. Scroll down and look for metered connection. Make sure it's turned off, as enabling it can limit your download speed. Once that's done, go back to the Start menu, search for Data Usage, and open Data Usage Overview. Scroll down and click on Data Usage. You'll now see a list of apps using your internet. Go through the list and uninstall any apps you don't need, especially those that might be running in the background and using bandwidth. Now, if you're still facing slow speeds, go to the Start menu again, search for Control Panel and open it in the top right, and search for Network and Sharing Center and open it. Then click Change Adapter Settings from the left menu. Right-click on your Wi-Fi connection, choose Properties, scroll down, and click on Internet Protocol version 4TCP/IP4. After that, click on Properties button right here. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8888 for preferred and 8844 for alternate. Click OK to save. Next, search for CMD in the Start menu. Type the command ipconfig flush DNS, then hit enter. Lastly, if you're using a VPN, try disconnecting it. VPNs can sometimes slow down your internet speed. And that's it. Try downloading something again and see if your speed improves. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.